Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 7, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So before we get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now next, just pop out the tray, which is located at the top of the phone. So it's right over here. This little weird cutout. So you want to push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for just a SIM card on either side, and obviously no SD card support. No, I am disappointed. $2,000 device, and apparently it's too much to ask for a retention bracket on both sides. God forbid, Samsung, you would have to put that tiny bit of plastic on the other side. Wow, that is just absolutely pathetic. Anyway, so when you're using the top tray, make sure that the card is basically on top, because if you flip it over, just as a demonstration, it just does this. And then just to kind of show you the other side, if I do it on the bottom, no longer falls out because it has a retention bracket, which I would have expected on half of the price, hell, a quarter of the price device to have it, but Samsung double the price, doesn't bother. Now you also probably noticed that there's no SD card spot in here. If you can splurge out, I guess, $2,000 on a phone, you might as well splurge out $2,500 for the bigger storage model, assuming you need more storage. So anyway, as you've seen, all you will need to do then is just plop in your PIN, and card is then unlocked and should work without any additional steps needed. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.